find the sum of the series x cube, x power 5, x power 7, so on n times. Okay. This series lo the sum of n times enta avutundo cheppali. So the solution, what is the given series? X cube, x power 5, x power 7, so on. Okay, n times. So here a1 equals to x cube, a2 equals to x power 5, a3 equals to x power 7, so on. Okay. This is a geometric series because x power 5 by x cube is x square, x power 7 by x power 5 is x square. So common ratio is in, so it is a geometric series. What is the common ratio formula? a2 by a1, r equals to a2 by a1. So x power 5 by a2 value x power 5, a1 value x cube. This is of the form a power m by a power n. A power m by a power n is a power m minus n, that is x square. Okay. Now we will find the sum of the series. Okay. Sn equals to, what is the formula? A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Here a is a1, that is x power 3, r value x square power n, x square power n minus 1 by r is nothing but x square minus 1. Okay. Now see, a power m into a power n. What is the formula? A power m into a power n. A power m whole power n formula. A power n whole power n formula. A power mn. A power mn. See, x power 3, x power, see, this is also from a power n whole power n. A power m n 2n minus 1 by x square minus 1. So sum of the series of x cube, x power 5, x power 7, so n times is x cube times x power 2n minus 1 by x square minus 1.